Want a smartwatch but don't know where to start? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting Galaxy Watch 8 and OnePlus Watch 3 head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Technical specifications. Comparative analysis. The Galaxy Watch 8 is built with a lightweight armor aluminum frame and sapphire crystal on the front, which makes it comfortable for all-day wear and also resistant to scratches. The OnePlus Watch 3 uses a stainless steel body, which feels more solid and premium, but it is slightly heavier on the wrist. It is designed more for durability and long battery usage. The Galaxy Watch 8 comes in two sizes, 1.34-inch and 1.47-inch Super AMOLED displays. It also reaches up to 3000 nits brightness, which means it stays very clear even under strong sunlight. The OnePlus Watch 3 has a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display. It is slightly more power efficient and offers 2200 nits brightness, which is still very good but not as bright as Samsung. The Galaxy Watch 8 has a smaller battery depending on the size, around 325 mAh to 435 mAh. It is optimized for daily use, but you may need to charge it almost every day. The OnePlus Watch 3 has a much larger 648 mAh battery, and because of its dual chip system, it can last multiple days easily, making it better for heavy users or travelers. The Galaxy Watch 8 is stronger in health tracking. It offers ECG, body composition analysis, temperature sensing, sleep tracking, and advanced AI-based health insights through Samsung Health. The OnePlus Watch 3 also offers ECG, heart rate, SpO2, and sleep tracking, but it does not have as many advanced AI health features as Samsung. The Galaxy Watch 8 runs on the Exynos W1000 chip built on a 3nm process. This makes it very fast, efficient, and optimized for AI health features. The OnePlus Watch 3 uses Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 with an additional low-power chip, which helps it save battery while handling background tasks efficiently. The Galaxy Watch 8 was launched in July 2025. With a starting price of around $350 to $380, depending on the size and variant. It is positioned as a premium smartwatch with advanced health and AI features. The OnePlus Watch 3 was launched in March 2025, with a starting price of around $329, making it slightly more affordable and a better value-focused option. The Galaxy Watch 8 is best for users who want a complete smartwatch experience with advanced health tracking, bright display, and deep Samsung ecosystem features. The OnePlus Watch 3 is best for users who care more about battery life, durability, and getting strong features at a lower price. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.